And just in case you're wondering, it is pretty toasty in here. It's actually cooled down. It was almost 104 whenever I first opened it up. So that's always a fun thing. You're watching the ProZack Project YouTube channel. Welcome to my channel. And one thing I'm going to talk to you about today is experience that I'm having right now with rebuilding my camper. I'm not done yet. I'm 10 months into the project, but I kind of want to give you an update, kind of show you what's all been happening. So bear with me as I go through this. I'm only going to show you a few things in this video and a few things in the next one, but keep in mind, this is my experience. Not all experiences are like this, but we didn't expect it to go this far. So this is our 1969 Shasta Starflight. And you notice I have upgraded all of the lights to LED up there, and there's some different things like all new J-rail. Got that put up here. But the front here, one thing I had to do was I had to take that window out. It was leaking all around it. There was no structure left underneath the window. So as you see right now, I am actually ripping everything out, and I'm actually replacing everything right now. As you see me building it back up right here. And same thing happened back here. There was pretty much no wood left now, and I had to rebuild the whole thing in the back, pull the window out, reseal it, seal it again, seal it about 3 more times, and now I need to check to see if it's leaking, because it seems like it always leaks, and maybe that's why the whole issue is here. Oh, and also I got reverse lights and LED brake lights inside the original Pathfinder housing, and look at how shiny that is. That's another thing. But a little video I have about this right here, you can watch that. And so that's the outer part of the structure, but let's go inside now and see what I've done inside. Going inside, first thing you notice is the floor is much better, and we're gonna get to all of this. There's gonna be many parts of this, and all my tools are just laying around. We're gonna start up here because all of this has been rebuilt to a better sizing, according to me. These benches are 41 inches wide, and that floor pan is, I think, 37 inches. It's 4 inches longer than what was originally here, so your feet can actually fit this way. I have a power station under here, which I'll show you in just a minute, and I have the pecs coming up. But the floor itself, it was rotted out. So what I did was, after I ripped everything out, there was nothing down, and I started back with treated 2x4s because the boards that were in there were 1.5 inches thick. So you rip a 2x4 in half, it's pretty much right about 1.5 inches by 1.5 inches, slightly off. And then every 4 foot, I put the stringers in for the plywood to overlap. Well, I put all that down. I put new metal underneath it, kind of in between, because that original metal was really messed up. So I got that all sealed up, got it all put in there. And then after I got the floor down, I got the exterior all buttoned up. I thought I made sure there was no leaks. There were plenty of leaks, which I found later. But then I put the plywood down. Before I plywooded it, I insulated it, which there's a video right here about that. So got all that done, and then I put the flooring down, and this is vinyl, and pretty much started in the middle, went that way, went this way, got it all down, all nice and glued up. And then from there, I came over here, and I just started building in the front. I figured start in the front, get this built, build the shower and stuff, and kind of work my way back. And then next is the kitchen. A lot of progress has been made, but it has not been easy. It's taking us months longer than we expected. It's cost us a lot more than we initially expected. We were expecting to be able to just go in, do a simple renovation, and be able to use it, but it was too far gone. I had to rebuild more than I ever could have imagined. Appreciate you watching. Give me a like, thumbs up, all that stuff. That really helps, because This trailer isn't cheap, but it is nice seeing how it's turning out. So watch and see how she turns out.